Well, welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. As you can see, I've been a little busy. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been posting like 2 weeks, and I apologize. I've been full bore on the other channel and just the garage in general, as you can probably see. So here's a quick little update of what's going on. I'll show you around the garage, what I've done so far, what I still need to do, all the fun stuff coming, plan for the C5Z, and the next car to come this fall, winter, to keep it company in here. Yeah, if you don't follow the channel, obviously you know I just bought a new house and had an awesome garage before. Now I'm doing another new garage, but taking it to the next level. And so far, I'm very happy with it. I got my primary lights set up over the last couple of days. I did not go the honeycomb route. I feel like those are kind of getting a little cliche, too popular. So I went with a series of these 4-foot long LEDs, and man, these things are really cool. I'm gonna do a couple more lights too on the ceiling. Really excited about it. It's really freaking rad. I wish I could show you guys in person how freaking cool it looks in here. So, any case, yeah, so if you wanna watch the build process, I already put a little tag, I'm sure, but Supercharged Homes on the old YouTube, and it shows you exactly what I'm doing with the entire build, you know, step by step. So if you miss seeing me, go watch that channel for a little bit before I'm back on this channel more permanently. But man, I still have so much stuff I gotta do. So before I give you a quick little tour of everything going on, real quick, what's gonna be coming in the pipeline, which is the garage is done. I'm hoping to have this all done first week of May, everything, but hopefully sooner, I think. And after that, we're gonna continue on the C5Z, finish the interior, meaning the leather dash, clean it up a little bit, it's a little dirty. We're gonna put a brand new sound system. We're gonna keep the Join 8.8, even though it's been discontinued. But I love a little head unit. People shit on it, but I love it. We're just gonna do a very simple amp, a proprietary sub in the trunk, so no more doors wiggling and wobbling and vibrating, and just a nice set of mid-range all the way around. So nothing crazy, but something clean, something that sounds good. And then once that's done, we'll do a full paint correct on the C5. It needs it, man. Get the wheels refinished in a proper gunmetal. And then, oh, and seats. We're gonna do a much more, probably fixed back seats, something name brand. But you know, I'll tell you what, the Amazon specials have been fine. People crap on them, but they've been good for me for 5 years. And I've had the car 5 years and 2 weeks. I'm gonna do a proper 5-year review on the C5Z if you watch the channel. You know, I like it, but I'll go over the good, bad, and ugly of owning a Z05, especially a C5 Z06. So cool, yeah, and once the C5 Z06 is wrapped up, we'll do a couple little things, the GTI, a quick little intake, little exhaust. We'll play at the Mini Cooper as well, you know, and then we'll do the lift, probably late summer. We're gonna get back into another Corvette, the second one. I still don't know what. I like the idea of a C6 ZR1. I like the idea of another C8, but a wide body in some capacity. I really like a C7 wide body. Like, what a shitty problem to have, you know. But we'll see. As we progress throughout the year, I don't know, I'll know more. Cool, that's what's kind of going on with me right now, and in the house, in the garage, as you can see. All right, I'm gonna show you around a little bit and show you what I'm gonna be doing here the next few weeks. And real quick, before I start showing you around a little bit, I just love the juxtaposition, the contrast for my studio feel garage. Then you walk into the house and it's all nice and homey and cute, pretty. It's funny. All right, so as you can see, I've blacked everything out. So doing something so bold, I need a lot of lighting. So like I said, these are my 8 primary lights right here. This is on the low setting. I think I'll keep on the low setting, which is 30 watts per piece. It goes up to 50 watts per piece. If I wanted to, this is more than enough. I have a really cool another piece coming right here to hang down to kind of match these, but a little different. So once we get that wrapped up, we got to do, this is going to be a really cool accent wall. I don't want to ruin it, but about 2 weeks from now, that'll be done. And I'm so looking forward to this. You guys are going to love this. This is going to be really freaking cool. And then once that's done, we're going to do proper cabinetry back here. I'm still not sure where I'm going to put my workstation to film, but it'll be either here, in the middle, or over there. I don't know. TBD on that. And then once that's done, we're going to do some of those race flooring, the tiles, with a proper little etched out spot for each car on both. What a mess in here, but don't worry, once I get all my cabinetry, all this will get cleaned up and pretty. I still don't know where I'm gonna put my arcades yet. Maybe over there in that corner, or maybe right here, or maybe this way. No, because this is where all my power washer and vacuum's gonna go. And I am gonna keep something similar to my old one, which is the honeycombs on this wall with all my shelving in. I'm gonna keep that, but instead of the lights facing the wall, they're gonna come look out this way because it's so dark in here. I can do that now. Cool, yeah, so once we get the flooring done, that light done, I got some really cool accent lighting to go above all of the cabinetry over there, even above this up here. I'm still farting with the idea of putting the LED strips in the garage door. I'll see at the very end if having light in here to work on cars. I think I'm gonna be okay. With just this one set, it's more than enough, but I might go a little crazy, we'll see. Like I said, I'm taking my old garage and it's really just taking it to the fucking max, so. And I love that I have 12-foot ceilings in here. It really feels like a stadium. Just in case you're curious, the size, it's 22 by 22, 12 foot with a 2.5 foot by almost 6 foot notch for a powder room, but it's okay. And eventually we'll have in the back of the house a secondary standalone garage, like a woodworking or maybe more space for cars if I get to that level at some point, we'll see. But yeah, it's come a long way, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these chairs out here. I had like a sitting area in my old garage. It was like 1.5 bay. I really won't have this because I'm gonna have 3 cars in here eventually. So, but yeah, I'm just loving how cool this looks. It's so simple. The hardest part about doing this was measuring everything up there. So when they fall, they're all nice and uniform. I made a perfect rectangle box, squared up to the walls, and then just divided it and put the studs in. I used a string line actually to go across, and now they're all perfect, laser lined. Turned out really well. I'm really happy with that. If you're curious, I'll put a link for these guys down in the description below. These are Amazon deal. I think these total was like $300. Don't quote me on that, but around that. What else is going on? Oh, and also next weekend, I'm trying to do a video. My brand new next door neighbor that way, he used to own a 2004 C5 Z06, and he sold it about 4 or 5 years ago for a hilariously low price tag. So I want to get him on the channel, and I'll let him explain how much he sold it for. Very cheap, I'll give you that. He's kicking himself in the ass looking at the value of the C5 Z06s now. But no, it's cool, it's coming along. So what do you guys think of the black? I like it, I like the black. I did that a little different color. But yeah, that's, in case you're wondering, that's where I've been. In case you've been missing me and wondering where I've been with my car stuff, yeah, I've just been full bore on the other channel, working on this guy. Don't worry, guys, I didn't forget about you. So, plenty of stuff to come, and I cannot wait to get this wrapped up and start doing car stuff again. It'll be here before you know it, you know what I mean? So, in any case, guys, just wanted to touch base with you guys. I got a C5 Z06 5-year review coming in next week, and I'll try to pepper in some more car stuff for you guys until I can get back in the full swing of things. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for today. You guys take care. Mark out.